Hello, and welcome to this video presentation of the solar module, the latest complementary addition to the elec calc range. The module adapts to all photovoltaic projects, from rooftops and solar canopies, up to utility-scale ground installations with high voltage injection, all without configuration limits. The solar module adds photovoltaic dedicated components to elec calc. It is possible to model a direct current photovoltaic string by integrating the main components such as photovoltaic generators, inverters, and their MPPTs. The data entry interface has been designed to remain ergonomic and visual, making it easier to draw photovoltaic strings and manage their electrical characteristics, as well as the schematic representation of the entire installation. After adding your manufacturer references from our dedicated catalog, which is shared with our photovoltaic simulation application, Archelios Pro, you will only need a few clicks to duplicate your trackers and their modules. Our catalog brings together 373 manufacturers and more than 12,000 dedicated solar references, a major asset for quickly designing reliable and compliant installations perfectly suited to your needs. The solar module makes it possible to define an inverter for all the trackers in the DC installation in order to ensure a simple and consistent connection to an AC installation in both low and high voltage, from the simplest to the most complex configurations. The solar module enables more precise and consistent sizing of the DC structure, while complying with the requirements of the IEC 60364-7712 standard. Standards, voltages, short-circuit currents, power flows. The solar module checks every detail of your installation to ensure its reliability and compliance. Also, take advantage of automatic design and referencing tools to save valuable time when sizing your installations. Finally, generate the complete technical file, including the calculation note that makes it possible to trace all the installation verification criteria. At the same time, you can produce the schematic diagrams, as well as extract all the bill of materials. Alongside, we have added the ability to automatically import and size a project from Archelios Pro, our photovoltaic design and simulation software, in just a few clicks. The complete architecture of the installation is retrieved automatically. Panel and inverter references, cable lengths, and the general structure of the project. All you have to do is finalize the sizing and the configuration of the protections directly in elec calc. This functionality represents the crossing of a new milestone by offering one of the most accomplished photovoltaic software suites on the market, from design to standards-compliant electrical sizing, in perfect continuity. The solar module is now available for all versions of the elec calc range. Take advantage of a complete and high-performance tool to gain precision in your installations and speed up your electrical studies. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon at Trace Software.